Hey guys, welcome back to Bake with Panusami. Today we are going to talk about Oven 101. Yes, it's all about oven today. I will try to include all the baking basics in my future videos. It will helpful for beginners in baking. Let's get started. First we need oven. Oven is necessary for start baking. Oven comes in various model and sizes. Types of oven is solo microwave, convection and OTG. Let's talk about solo microwave. What is solo microwave? It is a basic oven which is used for reheating and also for defrosting. You cannot grill or bake or anything in that. Next one is convection microwave. Convection microwave, it is a combination oven regular for cooking, reheating, defrosting, etc. Convection mode is used for baking, cookies, pizza, roast, grill, etc. There is a fan and a heating element to circulate air uniformly in microwave. That's why it cooks fast compared to other standard ovens. Next one is, so many people ask me how to set our oven in convection mode. First, choose your convection option and set your temperature. If your recipe, for example, if your recipe calls for 180 degree, you have to lower your temperature to 170 degree because, as I said earlier, microwave convection cooks faster compared to other ovens. So you have to know about your oven first, how it works for you, what temperature is best for you to baking. I think this is all about the microwave convection oven. Next we talk about OTG. It's oven toaster griller. Here I mention it as toast, please do apologize. Oven toaster griller, which can be used to bake, grill, barbecue, baking, etc. It has heating coils on the bottom and the roof of the element. Heating elements gives nice high temperature at our baked goods. All OTG have the option to switch on either one or both coils. For grilling, I would suggest use top coil. For baking, you have to turn on both the coils. Then this is all about OTG, oven toaster griller. I think I covered everything in that. Next one is brand of the ovens. People ask me what brand can I choose, ma'am. It's all about you. Always buy an oven of a trusted brand or company. In my beginning stage, I bought Murphy Richards 28 liters, which is quite good. I liked it very much. Then I moved to 51 liter. Again, then after that I went to commercial one, gas and electric one. So it's all about you, trust of a good brand and company. Next, most important question is how to preheat your oven. Preheating your oven is very important. Without preheat, your baked goods will be not that much good. So first preheat your oven. Whatever your recipe calls for the temperature, most of the baking recipes calls for 180 degrees Celsius. So preheat your oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It's a must. Next question is, should I buy an OTG or convection? I suggest you guys, if you are baking regularly and you want your baking in your next step in career, then go for a good OTG oven. Small one, start with small one, 28 liters. Or else if you want to heat and cook and bake occasionally, then go for a microwave convection oven. Both works perfect. I prefer OTG for baking one. I think I have covered everything in this video about ovens. If you have any doubts about baking, feel free to ask me in comments. In my next video, I will teach you guys about the beginners baking tools and essential ingredients. Until then, stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.